So when we talk about reported speech, first we should talk about different verb tenses. So for example, we have present simple. We could say, I go running every day. I go running every day. And let's imagine yesterday John said these words to me. He said, I go running every day. But now I want to tell Mike what John said yesterday. So I say to Mike, John said that he went running every day. John said he went running every day. Now, I use the past tense, right? Past simple. I use past simple because he said it in the past. And this is one rule of reported speech. The rule of reported speech is that when we have present tense in direct speech, then in reported speech, we changed present to past. Okay, this is one of our rules. Next, if we have past, then we change this to past perfect. So for example, yesterday, John said the words, I had fun at the party yesterday, right? So yesterday, John said, I had fun at the party yesterday. And today I tell Mike. The example is, I had fun at the party yesterday. And I tell Mike, John said that he had fun at the party the day before. Let me repeat. The first sentence, John really said these words. He said, I had fun at the party yesterday. But when I tell Mike, I say, John said he had fun at the party the day before. This is because it's the day before yesterday, right? So John told me something in the past, in past tense, past simple, for example. So I must change this to past perfect. John said he had fun, and I tell Mike, John said he had fun. He had fun. Let's use a different example, not the verb have, because had is very confusing. A different example. Yesterday, John told me these words. I went to the shop. And today, I tell Mike, John said he had gone to the shop. John said he had gone to the shop. Now, usually my students tell me, but Kris, for example, let's go back to the first example. John said the real words. Yesterday, he said these words. I had fun. I go running every day, right? Yesterday, John said these words. I go running every day. And today, I tell Mike, John said that he went running every day. Usually my students say, but Kris, why should I say past. Why should I say went? It's true now. It's still true. It's not finished. And in English reported speech, that's not important. When I say, John said he went running every day, it doesn't mean that it's not true now. It's about the words that he said in the past only. Right? Like, for example, I tell you today, I am American. Tomorrow, you tell your friend, Kris said he was American. It's still true, but we say was because I told him this information yesterday, the day before, right? So when we use reported speech, it's important to understand the context. It's important to understand the situation. Because today I say, I am American, and tomorrow you tell your friend, Kris said he was American. This is correct. But you can also say, Kris said he is American with present tense. Why? Because it's still true. So you can say both. Usually we say he said he was American because he said it the day before. But I'll show you some more situations when we might change this, right? Like in my example, yesterday, John said, I go running every day. And today I tell Mike, John said he went running every day. This is correct. It's about what John said in the past. But I can also say, John said he goes running every day using present simple. And this will tell him that he said it in the past, but we still think that it's happening now, that it's still true now, that it's still about now, right? It's still about today. This is not always true. So it depends on the context. It depends on the situation. If you take a test or if you take an exam about the English language, then you should always change it to the past. So that's why the rule is that you change it to the past. Present changes to past. Past changes to past perfect. When we speak about the future and we use the word will always changes to would. So yesterday, John said the words, I'll see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. And today I talked to Mike. Hey, where's John? Oh, he said he would see us today. He said he would see us the next day or today, right? Because we're talking about yesterday. He would see us. He said he would see me today. He would. Will changes to would.